claims of the political system.
The main purpose of the move is to get back the more circulation of money in the system to bring it back. And it is found that there are a lot of fake currencies.
I think it's a very good move, but the implementation could have been planned better. I guess a lot of people, small-time traders, consumers are being put to a lot of inconvenience.
I think it's a good step by Narendra Modi because it is really required to remove the black money from the country.
I'll accept what Modi ji has done. It's very positive, and let's hope it continues like this and that black money gets converted.
Poverty level is coming up, so he's leveraging actually. So that's good. Motive is good.
Do you think it's caused problems to the common man?
Common man who is unnecessarily panicking. They have to just wait for another 1 week. With whatever money they have, they should spend it. It's like when you go back 25 years back, people didn't have this much money and still they were surviving.
Common man are suffering right now because they are not able to access their money. But for everything there is time. So as time passes, they benefit a lot in the long run.
Just example, my housemate, even she doesn't have a bank account, so she doesn't know where to exchange. So we help them and we got them exchange. But still, there are so many people who do not have bank accounts. So it is really difficult for them.
It's a sudden plan.
I think any activity of this nature requires a very precise timing and decision, which I guess people have seen that. I think it's a move which you cannot tell or involve everybody. It's something which needs to be from the top, and it has to be sudden only.
So do you think it will help to bring out the black money?
Of course, definitely good. It will bring out. Because they'll not be able to convert 100%, right?
I don't think so. All the black money would come. Maybe about 30-40% would already be destroyed by now. People would have burnt it, or some voters who would have known in advance. I'm sure somebody would have been tipped off in advance. People would have already sent it overseas with their different accounts.
Have you faced any problems?
Not much. I use my plastic card as I speak. I have 2 cards with me. I need to pay my utility bills.
I stood like for hours together to get the money exchange and even to withdraw money. And then no changes anywhere. Wherever you go, nobody has any change. Even we don't have any change. It's really difficult for us to go out and buy anything.
The only problem we may face is standing in queues for ATM or in bank. Nothing much. And yeah, the 2000 rupee note
Nobody's
at
giving
present.
that.
At present, no one can give the change because
Nobody has.
no one can afford to give everyone 1900 rupee note.
Me as an individual have taken it positively. For me, there is no issues regarding that demonetization I'm facing from it. Because the money transaction I've left since I've joined the company. It's only through card I swipe and do all the transactions.
I have not faced any difficulty because I don't have exact. So far, nothing. I got everything in the account. Everything well. So far, nothing. Doing my withdrawal form by check. I will probably stand for a little more time. And in the ATMs, the cash is less. So whenever I go, probably the cash gets exhausted.
For some time, we will feel this difficulty. So see, the difficulty what they were facing 1 week back, it's not there today. So maybe after another 1 week, it will not be there. And second thing is maybe some housewives, who need to have some petty cash, they may have some problem. But then I think ATMs have their options, but only one thing which was not planned properly is they had to first produce or manufacture n number of 100 rupees notes first, 150 rupees notes. Whatever currency they have made that, they should ease the population to use that. It should be easily be made available. That was the issue.
As far as I'm concerned, I've never faced this because one thing what the youngsters are doing is they're accessing through online.
How do you think it's going to help the people?
I guess with roughly about 4-5 lakh crores coming into the government coffers, people would look towards easing of inflation. I think the prices of essential commodities must come down. I guess a lot of money could be spent towards the infrastructure development.
Pakistan, they are also printing fake notes of India. So now their fake notes will be useless because now we have a new note.
Because they ensure that everyone has a bank account, and only after that they took the step to ensure even the black money holders can pay taxes and penalty, get it. Why? We don't have money to sponsor terrorism. just because the 500 and 1000 rupee notes are banned.